Well, guys, you know how it be. The fun never ends. Port engine now is destroying the flywheel and will not start, so here's what we're gonna do. Gonna pull the drive off and pull the engine out of the boat because it's easier than working on the thing in there. They're way too tight. So you get the drive off by putting this side and forward, take the trim rams off, and then you take the 6 bolts out and it should slide right off. If you have any problems, you can put a piece of wood in here and then use the trim rams to pry it off, but shouldn't have any problem. I had them off already. Battery's almost dead. Alright guys, we got to pull the port engine out of the boat to work on it. It'd be easier just to pull it out, so let's get to it. Well, now that her bra is gone, you can see both her biddies. We're only going to be playing with this one today. We don't like that one. Let's get it out. Alright guys, here we go. Taking this one out. Sorry if the camera dies. Alright guys, it's out. Sketchy. Oh, wow. Cool. Now we don't have to get new ones of those, which are a pain in the bum to get in. Alright guys, well, I'm sorry the camera died as soon as we got the engine out of the boat, but we really didn't do that much. Cleaned the carburetor, we took the bell housing off to make sure the flywheel wasn't really getting eaten apart, which it felt like it was. So the starter wasn't actually grinding on the flywheel. There's 2 little pins that lock the Bendix in place. These top mount starters are super weird. Works totally different than a car starter. And I guess the dude who rebuilt it did something, I don't know. It's just not working, and the Bendix is spinning on the shaft. And that grinding noise is actually the Bendix in the shaft. It's not the flywheel and the gear. So I took one of the starters off of that one, put it on there, and we're gonna try it out. We got it back in the boat. Let's see how it goes. It wasn't timing or anything. Timing's still 8 degrees. Everything's still the same, minus the starter. Alright guys, I think we got everything fixed that we need to. Hopefully this problematic engine starts better than it did before. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, this puppy should fire right up. Turn the water on. Fired right up. Fired right up. It's okay, let it idle. Let it idle. It's good. It's good. No, it's running fine. You don't have to raise the RPM. I wish this one had a mechanical gauge so we could see if this is accurate. actually comes back to idle now. Yeah. I'm getting wet. It was spraying me. Hey, it's leaking from the raw water.
Tap?
No, the raw water hose is leaking. Yeah, we know it runs. I guess we don't really need to run it any longer. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That thing actually runs now. Next video will be it back in the water again. Hopefully it'll run for more than 5 minutes before it freaking dies. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.